it's Gina V here, and we're gonna jive it on out together today to Bruno Mars' Runaway Baby. Yep, going back to my dance roots, and we're gonna keep it nice and fun and sweat it out all together. If you like this video, of course, subscribe to my channel, but for now, it is time to boogie it out. We're going back to my dance roots. We're gonna do a little jive. Ready? Here we go. Back, jive, chasse. 1, 2, 3. Back. Now if you want, you can have your hands here, or you can add a windmill. That's it. All right, guys. We're gonna chasse for 4, 3, 2. We'll walk it back. Shake it out. That's it. Chasse, chasse, chasse. Walk it back. Are you ready? Let's take it up. High impact. Run, run, run. That's it. Now, bunny hop it. Let's go. Run, run, run. Woo! Kick those heels back into that booty and run, run, run. That's it. 1, 2. Woo! All right. Clap it out. Quick break here. Quick breather. Back to that jive basic. Out we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So if you're looking for a level up and your joints can handle it, this is the track for you. All right. Out. Oh. Take it back. Please don't go away. That's it. And take it back. Are you ready? Run. And take it up. Bunny hop. And a run. You can't get away from me. All right. And again. 4, 3. One more set. Run, run. All right. I'm going to take it down. That's it. Side to side. We're going to go single, single, double. Single, single, double. And single, single, double. That's it. Are you ready to run towards me? All right, guys. That's enough of a breather. Let's go. Come on. Run it back. Run, run, run. Are you ready? Run on the spot. Go, 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 go. And up we go. Bunny hop, side to side. You can't get away from me. I'm going to keep you going. I'm going to keep you moving. Go, get that heart rate up. And 1, 2, 3. One more. And well done, guys. Awesome jive work. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Now, if you want to see more dance style workouts from me, don't forget to comment below because, of course, guys, I want to give you what you want. Now, of course, subscribe to my channel. You know what to do. Click that bell, get that notification because you know I release multiple workouts every single month. But for now, guys, it's time to catch you for another workout, another dance, another sweat, another day. Bye for now.